What's up, fam? It's Jamia, and per the title, you see that today I am making my whipped body butter. This is a new added product to my skincare line. Right now I have the rose body oils, I have lip gloss, and today it is going to be my first body butter. This is going to be a lavender body butter. I'm going to use all natural oils. Of course, I'm going to use raw shea butter. I don't play when it comes to the natural, you guys. We gotta keep it natural. You know, that's the best way to go. So I'm going to use my jojoba oil, castor oil, vitamin E oil, almond oil, like I said, the shea butter, and the coconut oils, guys. You already know that all of these oils blended together just have so many benefits for your skin, and they protect your skin against the wind, against the sun. You know, there's just so many benefits. I'll have it all listed for you guys to see and study before you make a purchase. But so the oil has been my best seller. Like, everybody's like, oh, I love my oils. I put them on every day. My skin is glowing. My dark marks are like fading away. Like, I'm just enjoying the oils. They also love the lip gloss because it has natural oils infused. They leave your lips just so smooth and silky. Guys, when I say that like these oils, the rose body oils really work, I'm not joking. Like, everybody has admitted, oh, I love these oils. I love it too. I put on a cream for my face, and then I put the oils on top just like to seal in that moisture, and it is a great mix. So this body butter, that's what I'm focused on today. This body butter, it is what it says it is. It's butter for your body. We know that lotion is water-based. So lotion, it goes on your skin and it's like a temporary fix for moisture. But this body butter, this is going to be like an all day, all night moisture for your skin. It absorbs in your skin. Lotion doesn't really absorb in your skin, but body butter will absorb into your skin. So I'll have all of the benefits and factors in the description box, guys. But let's get right into this video. Okay, guys, so here I'm going to start with adding in my ingredients. The first ingredient that I'm going to add is my raw shea butter. And I use the white shea butter because the yellow shea butter is like a color added shea butter. So I use the white shea butter. I'm just going to cut it out and measure in 1 cup. Okay, so after adding the shea butter, I'm going to go in with my coconut oil. So I am adding a 1/2 cup of the coconut oil. This is a fractionated coconut oil, but I'm going to put it in the bowl with the shea butter so that they can melt together. All right, so I'm going to use the same measuring cup, and I'm going to add my essential oils. I'm going to add the jojoba oil, my castor oil, vitamin E oil, almond oil, and the lavender essential oil. And then while I have all of these oils together, I'm also going to add my pigment, and I'm going to do a red and blue that's going to make a pretty lavender at the end. Okay, so I'm doing my double boiler here so that the butter and the oil can melt together without losing the natural oils. This is why I use the stove and not a microwave. So when this is all melted together, it's going into the fridge for about 45 minutes until it becomes solid. Okay, so once you feel that the butter has become the consistency that you like, it's fluffy but thick, then I stop mixing and I add it into this Ziploc bag. This butter is a very good consistency, and so it's enough for me. Get it into the bag, kind of like a piping bag, and then I'm going to squeeze it out so you guys can see the consistency. Okay, as always, fam, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the Paint Box Cosmetics to get your new favorite skincare.